Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade we had in the GrokStar Room this morning, and just after 10 o'clock, one of our members of the GrokStar Room said, hey, look at EEP. So we looked at EEP, and look what it had done. Kaboom! Was up over 10%. And we said, okay, let's be watching this one. And it just started to stall right here, just under the $35 line. So I very quickly set up a trade and said, if it breaks out above 35, I wanted to get along, have a trade set right there, letting the market come to me, and let's see what happened next. And kaboom! There it goes. It shot up, and I am now long EEP at $35.05. All right, so let's stretch this out a little bit and pull it down so we can follow this trade. Now, this is going to be about setting your stops. This is what we call a parabolic move, and so I'm going to have my stop, and as soon as I got in, I put my stop right here at just below the $35 mark. And if it turned around as sharply as it's going up, then I would be out, and that would be good because it kept falling. But then look at this, boom, boom, boom. Now look, this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, on a 1-minute chart that we're looking at here. I'm keeping my stop just below that. So now my stop is above my entry. Risk-free trade. Love it when that happens. And I keep moving it up here, moving it up, moving it up. It's getting pretty far extended away from that. It's bound to stop back just due to mean reversion. So here we go. It's still going up, still going up. I keep moving my stop with it. And now it started to top out right here. It got a couple of dojis right here. Let me see there. And so I went ahead and I took out half at $36.19 for 3.2% on that first half. Still long the second half. Let's see what happens next. And pulling my stop up here to, right at the 8 EMA. Starting to roll down. It goes up a little bit more, and bam, there it goes. It went right through my stop at and got out at 36.09 for 2.9% on the second half. So in this parabolic trade, it broke out here just above that $35 mark, and it ran up here, and then and look at that harsh pullback. That's over a 1.5% pullback, and it stopped me out. So it's very, very reasonable for that. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. It's just like great fishermen. When they catch a really big fish, like this big, huge trade here, what do they always do? They cut off the head and they cut off the tail and they keep the meat. Yes, I could have gotten out up here at the very top, but nope. Cut the head off of that, and I missed a lot of the tail. That's somebody else's money because we didn't even see it until then. And so I went ahead and I cut off the tail. So I kept the meat of the trade, which was a total of 3.05% in just 14 minutes. Hooah! Trade well, everyone.